Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bybit application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device, and once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then type in Bybit and start your search. Once you find the Bybit application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install or get button. Just tap on the get or install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bybit application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when it is done, you will see the open button. Now just tap on open and this will open up the Bybit application on your device. Now you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or log in to your existing one to immediately start using the Bybit platform on your iOS device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Bybit application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.